I got a sprained ankle though.
Alright, sit down.
You are MIA.
Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Right here.
Yeah.
Where they run?
Okay, hold on.
I can't even tell.
Can I sit right there on the rocks?
Check over there. Huh?
Hey, where are you at? 260 what? 260 Adam.
6'2" Adam, man.
260 Adam.
Oh my God.
Sit down.
You walked me over to the rocks right there, so I ain't gonna run, bro.
Where'd your boy go? Tell me where he went.
No, I couldn't see him. I just crawled out and saw y'all.
Where's your gun?
I ain't got no gun.
Yes, you did.
No, I don't have no gun, bro. I was in the passenger seat. We was up here just chilling with my brothers and dad, man. Hey.
All right, have a seat. Have a seat somewhere.
Keep walking to the rocks right there.
No, that's where the train's at. Here.
Oh, my ankle.
You could have a seat on this hill or something.
You hold me down from sit down.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh! My uncle, did you find my uncle, bro?
Huh?
My uncle's in the back seat, man.
Where is he?
I don't know, bro. That's what I'm worried
That's the one
about.
with the fucked up leg, right?
Huh?
That was the one with the...
I'm the one with the fucked up leg. That's my crutch. He was still in the back seat. Fuck! Man, that shit ain't right, bro. Why would he just do that, bro?
Hey, can you watch this guy for me so I can go through this shit?
Oh, God, bro.
Hey, watch him, Kev. I'm gonna go through this shit.
Where was he? The back seat?
Yeah. He was the one with the
I was
crutch.
in the front seat.
Sorry? Yeah, passenger seat.
All we have is black and gray shorts. That's all we have for one offender.
Hey, let's start walking him up here. Hey, Kev, get out the way. This car's still on and in gear.
Adam, go to reverse, southbound. He crashed.
Alright, units responding, step it up. 41st and Oakenwald, he's fleeing southbound.
He's in the woods over here.
Hands the fuck up. Hands up.
Eddie, you good over there?
You need more cars now.
Alright, step it up. Units responding, 41st and Oakenwald, step it up. They need more cars. 263 Eddie needs more cars.
Where they run?
63 Eddie, what's their status?
Two are MIA.
Sit down.
Where they run?
I can't even tell.
63 Eddie, you got anyone or did they run?
262 Adam.
262 Adams squad. It looks like they're in the train tracks. There's two more that fly south on the train. East on that crash near the train tracks over here.
We're gonna need PH1 over here.
Courtesy.
Alright, 262 Adam, one in custody, 1944.
Maybe have hospital DOA.
Alright, what's the location for the DOA?
41st and Oakenwald.
41st and Oakenwald, that's related to this whole situation?
I don't know, squad, but
We'll get them rolling. We got them.